Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
We can keep it weird, always.
We are.
So we are.
Prom night?
I didn't scream. I think वो boxing वाले sequence में.
Imagica!
Oh yeah!
Imagica!
Imagica.
On
We
the
went.
rides.
Yeah, we went to promote
Punch Beat.
So obviously, I don't have to
I
explain.
had
why.
low BP after the ride.
I took the other one also. I made her sit next to me and she's like. फिर साइड में एक आंटी आई बूढ़ी सी, वो बोलती है कि क्यों बिठा रही है इसको जबरदस्ती ये वो. मैं कहा अरे मेरे को क्यों बैड ट्रिप दे रही है भाई, उतर जाए. I don't care. Get down, Sindhuja. Why is that stranger talking to me?
I felt bad because that auntie's feeling bad for me. I was like, okay, auntie, I'll get down.
अच्छा, otherwise you would have gone. Therefore.
I'll have an AC inside the bathroom or TV inside the bathroom and a huge bathtub. And that's all.
I think I'm very much into like graffiti and like white color की walls
white.
पे बहुत सारा color, like something like this but in graffiti style. So I think my bathroom क्या, I think I could have a house that looks like a hip hop.
I like vintage.
You know.
Complete vintage.
I'm not into vintage. Like my bathroom will be like colorful and poppy colors and मैं अंदर जाते ही woohoo feel करना चाहती हूँ.
I like vintage, full vintage. Stone.
So we are not staying together ever.
Weirdest conversation.
Not like you tell your.
On the sets of Punch Beat or some anywhere?
Weirdest conversation I've overheard. Really bad. You know when it's.
Weird. What's the weird?
I think conversations like जब आप लोग कभी किसी public transport पे हो या you know flight में हो, so whenever you hear someone talking to their you know like the other day I think it was a girl's husband's birthday maybe or boyfriend's, तो वो airport पे she was sitting next to me and she's like boo boo please na Janu I'll be there, we can do this tomorrow. So you know she's talking to a boo boo, so पूरा conversation double meaning बन गया था.
I overheard a very weird conversation when I was at one of my old friend's place, and heard as soon as I went inside the kitchen, she's also an actress, I can't take her name, but her dad started talking to her about me, and he's like, you know, you should always be in good terms with her, and you know you all should go together and give auditions together. And I was standing in the kitchen, I was like, okay, he's talking about me, your dad is giving all wrong you know wrong things, yeah, wrong advices and everything. You can't do that to your own kids, and that was pretty weird.
We're getting serious about this weird thing. Extremely beautiful Victoria's Secret angels. I dislike them, but there's no reason to. I think I envy the body types. I have always been like, I'm like 5'6.5", but I always wanted to be 5'9" or something. So all these girls who are taller than me, I tend to dislike them. I dislike Alia Bhatt without any reason. I think I'm jealous of her also. But I love her performances. It's weird things that I dislike.
I dislike being in between people, but I end up being in between people.
In between people?
Like, yeah, it's social.
Oh,
being social.
yeah, she's antisocial. So I dislike beauty.
And I ended up being in a place where I have to be social and everything, but otherwise I'm anti-social.
I have this t-shirt which I did buy for like a friend, and it has this, it's not ugly, but matlab, why would you have Mahatma Gandhi's face on a t-shirt? Like, I don't know, I just can't wear it out and go out. There's also one more t-shirt. It's not ugly, like I said, father of the nation, I like him, but just like not a pleasant looking. And chappals, I have these chappals which are ugly as hell. वो मेरी bathroom chappal बन गई हैं. But I have those ugly things at home.
I don't keep ugly things with me. I throw them. What illegal or worst thing? Backstab.
यार मेरे को सोचना पड़ेगा. What is not illegal? I think everything illegal. Oh, cheat on your partner? This side.
That side.
एक second. Opposite. Same. Hell yeah. If they have had a good loving boyfriend, sometimes if they have a better shoes than me, then I get jealous and I take it. And yeah, I'm jealous of this closest friend of mine, Shilpa Johar. Shout out to you. She has the most beautiful tattoos and amazing skin with like a Marilyn Monroe piercing. And I'm so jealous that she can, she's about to like complete her sleeve with tattoos. And I love tattoos, but I don't know, I can't do it. But she's very close to me and I'm jealous of your tattoos.
I don't get jealous at all. I don't know why.
Because she's ice cold. For jealousy, you need to be warm.
While shooting, yeah.
The whole show was so weird.
Why? Because what we read during the script, like whenever we had the script reading sessions and what we shot are complete different things, and that's pretty weird.
But I'm just glad that people are liking it.
People are liking it. It's beautiful.
We know the whole story because we were part of the project for 2 years, so we have seen the production, the scripting change and all. But obviously we are very professional. ऐसे बीच में तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना कि 10 दिन shoot कर लिया अब नहीं करना. So we stayed around. But I'm just glad that people are loving it. Eventually that's what matters. हम लोगों का मतलब जो भी stress है अब ये हम लोग इतने बड़े एक्टर्स तो है नहीं कि बोलेंगे हमारा सीन क्यों काट दिया या वो सीन क्यों नहीं था या फिर ये एंगल कहाँ गया या वो left profile क्यों नहीं है, right क्यों है. That is not our lookout. As an actor, we can just miss few things which we see are not there. But as an audience and as an artist, I want people to love what we are offering.
But I'm
and that's
happy
happening.
people are noticing even if we're there for a few seconds on the screen, and that's amazing.
Bro, तू 10 सेकंड के लिए भी आएगी ना, people will just stare at you. Don't worry. One common weird thing is we both can bark.
Yeah.
No one else can bark like us.
Can we? This is how we converse.
In front of people. But other weird thing that I know about her, and we can do different breeds. She could be sad, I could be a Doberman, she could, yeah. It's insane. Anyway, this is getting weird. ये teaser बन जाएगा in case we get. But one weird thing that I know about Sindhuja is she talks to her boyfriend in a Shan language. No one will ever know what it is till I explain it to you. They talk in love. Telugu to chalo samajh nahi aati. They are into Shan language. So it's how they talk with each other in love. So she used to FaceTime him or video call him in Dehradun. And suddenly बोलती थी एक second, हाँ excuse me, side में गई वहाँ से बताई. And I'm like, what is she doing? Is that Telugu?
Japanese.
Yeah, just say how are you to me in Shan language. And they both know the language. वो वहाँ से okay, you are the Sindhuja, I'm your boyfriend. Say and they both are conversing for 5-7 minutes. It's just Shan language conversation. That's what I know about her.
Something weird about Kajol. She has a serious face and she cracks jokes, and people get offended because they think she's actually serious. But that's so weird. She's actually cracking a joke.
Yeah, like अब मेरे को 2 faces अपने discover करने पड़ेंगे because none of my jokes are taken as jokes.
She's always having the same face but different emotions.
Hi guys, I'm Kajol Tyagi.
And I'm Sindhuja Turlapati.
And you're watching us on
IWM Buzz.
Bus.
Buzz.
Bus.